And hello, everyone. Welcome. I just want to share with you the last day of the 12 days of Christmas tree. And it's this one right here is the Nativity tree. At the end of this video, I'm going to share with you all of the ones that I made this year. And I want to take the opportunity to wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. My prayer is that this year we will get closer to God and share the love of God with others. So let's get going. Let me share with you how I made this beautiful nativity tree.
Uli Designs, unique expressions.
This is the wood tree I'm going to be using for this project. I got this at Hobby Lobby. I also got the nativity cut out at Hobby Lobby as well. And I'm excited to try this paint for the first time. It's Painterly, it's by DIY, and they have beautiful colors that I want to try. So this is my plan. I think I'm gonna use 3 of them, for sure 2. So let's get going. Let's start painting this tree. I'm going to just paint it in green first. And I am going to show you step by step what I did to transform this tree and make it one of a kind. And to add more interest and texture to my tree, I'm going to be adding these stick tiles. I got this at Walmart, but I know that a Dollar Tree also sells them. Not the same exact one, but similar. I'm going to glue them on the top here, on the front of the tree, and on the back of the tree, I'm just going to paint it in green. This beautiful color, it's called Deamville. Now what happened is that this broke, so I'm gonna have to fix it at the end, but I'm not gonna worry about that now. I'm just going to continue with what I have in mind. I'm going to add green on top of these tiles. I'm adding a little bit of the green all around. And it's kind of like a dry brush technique. I'm not putting too much paint. I'm spreading the paint all around. I am going to add now yellow. The name of this color is Glow Up. Very glowy. I love it. After it dries, it's time to glue it to the tree. So I'm just trying to center it with the line. Turning on my heat gun so it'll be ready. And I'm going to trace a line here using my pencil to then cut it. I am going to try to make it a little bit bigger than what it needs to be. In case that I make a mistake, I can always trim it with my blade. And I'm going to cut a piece for the top here. And as a last touch, I'm going to add golden gilding wax called Golden Rule by DIY Paint. It needed something more, I think, so I added this very lightly with a brush to show a little bit more of the texture that these tiles have. And I'm going to be doing the same thing with the nativity. As you can see, the color of this is more of a copper color, and I wanted it to be more of a gold finish. to be able to blend in with the tree. And I still needed to fix the stand, and the only way to fix it was to add 2 nails from the bottom up, and I fixed it right here. And I'm going to add more paint here. Now the only thing left is to add the nativity at the bottom, the most important part of this tree. And I'm going to be using hot glue to do that. What do you think? I think it came out so beautiful. I love the colors. And now let me show you the rest of the trees that I created for this season. This was the first one I made. It's the crochet tree, and I did it in different sizes and different colors. I believe the second one was this one. I added this. Jesus is the reason for the season, and it's the yarn tree. And I made this one here that it was the inspiration for Pottery Barn. I added some lighting, and these here were the Christmas ornaments using cinnamon stick. The paper trees, another paper tree, a very good craft that you can make with your kids or grandkids. The rustic tree right here. This one was the nautical beach theme tree. Another one that was inspired by the beach. Merry Christmas. The seashell on the top. Very girly. The decoupage tree. And the last one, the nativity. Thank you for watching. Until next time, Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.